Good evening. I want to show you guys something that is going to blow your mind. Blockchain Education has the world's first highly successful futures auto trading system. Now, the way we have it set up is that you can trade spot trades, auto trading, which are doing extremely well. You can also trade futures, isolated, at anywhere from 2x to 125x, although I wouldn't recommend 125x across the board with mixed altcoin futures, but you can do it if you want. And the thing is, we also have top coin pairs individualized for trading on a medium term. And let me show you some of the results here. Now this is it's called ALDA, and this is the medium term signals. The recent results for the altcoin pairs. And what happens is when the system sees an altcoin that is looking good or has given confirmation for a long position or a short position, it will come out at the top of every hour and it will become a signal. Anybody, I mean, look at this. This is crazy. 2 days, 20 hours, 2 days, 17 hours. We're running almost double digits within 2.5 days. And this is before leverage, because leverage, as you know, is an individualized choice. So these are the profits, peak profits these coins made in the futures platform after so many days. So the ones that are really important are the ones that are live signals. These are ones that are still moving, still going in the right direction. Here's an example. About 5.5 days ago, ZIL was called. It's gone almost 100%. Now, can you imagine if you had even just $1,000 in US dollar tether in this trade and we're running like a 5x? Well, you would have made $5,000 out of your 1,000. So that is really incredible. So we got Theta running almost 100%, ZIL running almost 100% in 5 days, Theta 6 days, Bitcoin, of course, going 21% from the point of the long signal about 3.5 days ago. ICX 12.39% in 2 days and 20 hours. BCH, Litecoin, TRX. I mean, this system knows when a good long signal is going to come out and when a short signal is going to come out. So everything pretty much has been long until you get to about 8 hours, 15 minutes ago. XLM came out as a short and made 5%. And then we had quite a few shorts on the 27th today. So these have really not had time to come to their peak, but they're going to. All the trades that come out are decent profits. And let me show you some of the other individualized top coin pairs. So this is one for Bitcoin. The last signal that came out as a long signal on the medium term made 21.38%. The entry price was 23,410, and as you know, Bitcoin went up to about 28,000. So this is a big signal. Before that, we had short, long, always alternating on every single signal. Now, some of these don't look too impressive, but I can tell you that I know one person who was in these calls and they made profit on every single one. If the long trade doesn't go to the individual's profit point, it's going to flip to a short. So the system can and does flip trades successfully. So that is something that is really exciting. And let's look at a different one. Let's look at Ripple. Now this is a long-term signal for Ripple. 19 days, almost 20 days ago, a short came out. It made an incredible 27% on a 4-hour candle. Long came out after that. 10 days, 19 hours ago, made 17.38%. And the last one, which is a bit of a exception because of the SEC lawsuit, XRP, the system pulled a short, and so far 58.17%. You can imagine what kind of profit you'd be looking at a 5x. Just incredible. So this is just kind of a taste as to what is going on at Blockchain Education. Definitely the best kept secret on the planet. We want everyone to be able to benefit from these amazing signals. And what I'll do is I'll put a discount link in the description. You can click on it, join now, get a description. Please hit like, subscribe. You know what to do. So this is something that is going to really change your life. And we can also show you how to fine-tune these single coin pairs, top coin pairs, as far as getting the most out of every signal. All you have to do is you look at the history to see what basically the least or the average gain is on a short or a long, and then just set your take profit accordingly. Most of us like to use trailing take profit because the first number in trailing take profit is the trigger, where the action starts. The second number is the deviation. The deviation number acts as a moving stop limit. So that will keep you from having to use a stop loss. You won't take any losses. You just, once it gets to say 5% trigger, if you set, for example, a 2% deviation, it goes to 5%. If it doesn't fall back 2% until it gets to 10%, then you made 8% plus or multiplied by your leverage factor. So there's a lot going on here. You should join. If you want manual calls, we have those as well every single day. In general chat, we have manual calls. We have manual calls in the system. We have automatic spot trading and now automatic futures trading. After the first of the year, we're going to have automatic margin trading. So this is the place to be, folks. And please do what you need to as far as hitting like, subscribe to our channel. We're going to be making a lot more videos, and we'll see you soon.